one no I don't know where a friend say who watches the watchman enti judge ni hwe sa ade ya ni evidence adase dia honorable de ba no a wo say na say dey no kre no kre who watches the watchman yebusa anasari mi ya say who mu bia na osiminim bi yes osiminim bi os awunim bi say ni afro bi so bodo so onim bi but judge dey sha also na uti way
hey no so onim bi
yes and the judge they say look why are you guys trying to deceive the court and I must deceive the court after the uncle say bi entia o si sa tape no kura na honorable who watches the watchman no ya twitwa asiani and they say ya twitwa asiani dia who ya dey say twitwa asiani which means that the original tape no wo ho so kofa bra oh that's the court o si ya twitwa asiani na nya no kura wa yibi ha no ya mo fa no doctor wa twitwa ha cut and paste enti sa ade na honorable show na wo si wo nimu bie no so otwitwa siani a eye den na hu say otwitwa siani enti so original one na kofa bra want me and produce enti evidence a adansidi a akompreko ode ba bontre e ma judge ni ehwe adansidi ohun say our probative value emu odu eye cogent say o ready say o ready adansidi utie ya na o say a cogent, a very strong evidence. Until the papa can ye be no, or what can he justify? Well, prove actually and say, no, say now, yes, say now, would you bribe? Who say who was the watchman? No, you or G bribe $100,000 dollars be or JJ, Nina, a show. And the judge can say, and yet this man is a criminal. May a honor hear me. Say, Obia or G bribe.
Now, or you be ding.
Or take
influence. Me a yini ding. Yes, waje kaka.
Yes.
Waje ama wako kama. Ya teki ya yina free wamo ya kudi wamo asem.
Nigga say oh you criminal. What I say was he comment now honorable making a honest. A fair. And now a sign of BB or public interest. And he honorable justified. And so who ya unu say and small honorable kind of describe Arimi Yano. The same words and judge in a UC the describe no. Because he was convinced. Say no obia or give bribe, no give you bribe there. And so a criminal and he media they hear me say ya koya ni no minua. Say judge to make us say obia or give bribe, no give you bribe a criminal. Say the person must be must be prosecuted because it's an offense against the state. Obi or a criminal is an offense against the state.
Oh, okay. The whole cancer. You let me initiate.
Yeah, something like that. Because it's a pronouncement. Or say so would you bribe? Now give you bribe. Fraudulent activities. And therefore, who investigative journalist. But rather, who investigative what? Terrorists there. Terrorism is a crime. It's a criminal offense. And therefore, you can throw the civil no. The criminality. Yeah, what matter must be prosecuted. And now, so who yes civil who really John tell so who yes civil case be. That's a criminal aspect. But understand or prove no. I beyond reasonable doubt. And there was said the state should prosecute him because you see he's a criminal. Judge say he is a criminal. Judge cannot prosecute him. Me so intimate prosecute him. And offer also so intimate prosecute no. Honorable compare also so intimate prosecute no. But the state because the republic versus announce Arimi Yao. And they say what they bribe. Yes, what you froster. Yes, what you terrorist. Yes, what you say they are. And they will say AG F7 no. Now no or share all the offenses. Yeah, well, Act 29 not compared with the Act 30. Now take the right steps. Send a bear a same way no. it will be brought to finality. Now, say anything can say obi a criminal, no only nam Ghana ha. Na yen say or a criminal, na you say no ye bia no and chakwemu and for the year. Huh? No say the panic was on the hosa. That also mienu. Say utie a was it akwei or a journalist or say a lawyer. Two professions way offer. Or see $1 dollars. Na eye den and oko Dubai ya. What the bags of dollars echo influence and for Dubai onye scan wo he. Sa question way
judge no raise.
Yes. Or see the profession or see no on the profession or a lawyer or say a journalist. These two professions embreedy dollars. And who is sponsoring him? Onye scan wo he. Oh, Sadoma way na so utie judgment na reading ye, reading now utie na utie judge ne kana. Na judge ne pimponti eni obi kire Ghana for say, masa ye hu yo. Was see ade na papa ne ye no. Na obuild political authority.
Of course.
Obuild political authority obeti be cause insurrection in this country. Because to be enter president office. So okako investigate. Otu ru bia so okako investigate no. Enti journalism na no oye no. Now building a political power around himself. Ya no oye capable. Ya ni ya kochi monster and na be see aso no ohura see ye konso. Enti ka utie di ya na hope say judgment na by nam krom enye certified true copy do. Now when the actual one free court to bar na o read ni ye na o be say hey judge you draw your attention to no be judgment ni mu. What you say? And to be say oh and a man for more tempted say oh and the judge in the car one can ye and a person bring down the yina. Where Anas is a lawyer. Say judgment, judicial decision. Judgment a free court abano. Court no share facts. No share the applicable law. No share the evidence na mo adu no na all the counsel omo kasa ye no omo submissions omo kan ye wa kan ni nyina bom no dey mara to ho no they are making a decision. And they say we agree. So Anas arimi yaw. My classmate know that Anas said do. Anas arimi yaw for say antwa yi amano a. Na so ye lawyer no. O make statement I say unam kwan so aka abowo wo darehia sorry na ntasentase achiwo. That statement ehun here you have the right to appeal.